Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can unreconcile your reconciled bank transactions so you can do amendments or edits on any, for example, supplier invoices, what's been entered on your Crunch account. To unreconcile bank transactions, you need to go to banking, click on accounts and cards and select under which account you want unreconciled transactions. In my case, I will go under my current account personal, click on more, and here is view reconciled transactions option. And from here you can select an option to unmatch. For example, I want unmatch an electricity, click on that unmatch, and statement entry unmatched. It will show as unreconciled. Also, we have more options and we can select, let's say, from, if we go down, for example, if I will select unmatch from this date onwards, so all transactions what been up, like 5 or 6 transactions, they're all been unmatched. So when we go back to accounts and cards, there is 6 to match and 6 to match on Crunch. So this is on Crunch account and this is what's been uploaded from bank account. So here we can start to match again. For example, if we want to check or something been by mistake matched or unmatched, for example, an electricity bill, this been not paid yet, but there is another bill what's been paid for 55. In that case, click at new payment, expense payment, and add your details there. So this is the way how you can unmatch transactions and do corrections or amendments on your, for example, expense account. Otherwise, you will be not able to do corrections to particular supplier invoice or recorded receipt in case if you have matched it already on your bank. So you need to unmatch it on bank first. So if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I go through the whole process of setting up myself on Crunch until the very last step on preparing for my self-assessment submission.